Hello there. This is a Hybreathe tutorial video to explain how you can hire professional consultants for your work through the Hybreathe platform. You can see the most popular consultant profiles at the Hire Consultant page. You can use different search filters to only see consultants of your interest. You can target consultants via expertise, say I need a developer. Also, you can target via country, hourly rate, etc. Let's suppose I am interested in hiring this consultant. Click on the profile and you can directly start chatting with this consultant. Send a message and start the conversation. Discuss the project. Then, create the contract. Enter a suitable title, choose a category, enter price, duration, and write a brief description of the contract. Once done, click to send the offer to your consultant. Once the consultant agrees with your offer, the contract will be started. You will get your work done through the consultant, and when the consultant delivers and you are satisfied, you can complete the contract. This is how you can hire a consultant for your work and get your work done from field experts through your consultant at Hybreathe. Have a good day.